How to add end screens to YouTube videos. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create and add YouTube end screens to increase views and subscribers step by step. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more YouTube tutorials. First, open YouTube Studio and select the video you want to edit. Now click on the pencil icon to open the video details. Go to the Video Elements section and tap on End Screen. You can either import an end screen from another video or create one from scratch. Choose a template with a video suggestion and subscribe button. Now position the elements anywhere you want on the screen. The square element is for recommended videos, while the circle is your subscribe button. For the video option, I recommend choosing Best for Viewer, so YouTube automatically suggests the best video for each person. You can also choose Most Recent Upload or select a specific video manually. At the bottom, adjust the timing to decide when the YouTube end screen appears. Most creators place it during the last 5 to 20 seconds of the video. Preview the end screen to make sure everything looks good, then click Save. And that's it. That's how you can add end screens to YouTube videos easily.